let's add and enable a cash drawer for the printer. To do that, I'm going to tap my 3 lines in the top left and navigate down to the section there that says Hardware. Next, I'm going to hit the first option there that says Printers. Now, we're going to add a drawer to RP2. To do that, I tap on the printer, and you can see 2 settings there, Has Cash Drawer and Enable Drawer. First, I'm going to tap Has Cash Drawer, and then I'm going to tap the toggle there that says Enable Drawer. Now, as I close this window, go back out to my sidebar, you're going to notice there's an option down here that says Cash Management. When I tap Cash Management, there you can see there's my drawer, but it's got a lock on it. To fix that, we just need to force close the app to force a sync. Now that I've done that, let's go ahead and go back to Cash Management. And now you can see I've got my drawer there, and I can now start my drawer. And that is how you add a drawer to a receipt printer.